sweating on my breath. This trick about to go off. Man, 'cause I'm so fresh, fresher than
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay love, so this wig is courtesy of Zury Hollywood. They sent me another wig. Actually they sent me a few wigs, and so you guys will have wigs that are coming in the next few days, as well as some wigs. I think 2 of them I'm gonna wait on posting them, and y'all are not ready for what they sent me. Let's just say it's gonna be the longest hair I've ever tried in my life. So yes, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure you hit the notification button just in case you guys aren't getting notified that I'm posting videos every Tuesday, sometimes on Thursdays, and then sometimes on Saturdays. So let's jump right into the deets of this. So this wig is from their Sassy Lively Spirit collection, as you can see right here, and it is in the style SASSY-H MABEL. So yes, y'all, they went back with a throwback name, Mabel, and it's in 1B. It has a 4-inch deep part, and that's hand tied, so that's what you see right here. And so that is pretty much everything that's on the stock card. As usual, the care instructions come on the back of it. And so let's just jump into how I feel about it. So yes, y'all, my first thoughts on the wig is when I saw it on the model. So when I saw it on the model, it looked okay. It looked pretty cool. Mind you, I've seen a lot of different wigs and they can look crazy, but it doesn't look crazy on her. So I wasn't too scared. Now, when I pulled it out of the packaging and put it on my head, immediately I was like, okay, so I know I'm gonna need to finger comb these curls out for it to look like something. And so essentially that's what I did. So this is the style that you guys see right here. It came from me finger combing the curls out. And so yeah, once I finger curled the combs out, then I loved it. And then also it came with this part right here, and I like the fact that it allows me to put it on the side that I like to put my part, which is the right side, because some of the wigs, they don't allow that, and I don't feel comfortable usually with left side parts. So I'm so glad I could put it on the right side. The only problem, and the thing that I think you guys would have to be careful or be mindful of, is you can't pull it too far over, I guess, one side or the other, or it's gonna look lopsided. So I'm hoping that it doesn't look lopsided, and that's what I keep trying to be mindful of. I also, because I did finger comb them, I have to make sure that the curls actually stay out, because that can make it look lopsided as well. But yeah, that's what I was trying to be mindful of, is to have a side part but not make the wig lopsided. And so I've been kind of trying to play with it, and hopefully it worked out and it looks good. As far as the curls, I love the curls. After I finger comb them, I love the curls. I love the style that is given. Like, this is sexy. It is sexy curly bob. Like, I like it. I'm feeling it. I didn't think I was a little nervous, but I actually like it. And so at first, when I first filmed the intro, I feel like how I looked then was more like Whitney Houston in, I'm not sure what video, what song, but it gave me very like Whitney Houston vibes. So hopefully I 2018'd it up to where it looks sexy, like it's curly, natural hair, bob, curly sexiness. Like, y'all see that? Bam. Yeah, so something that I did, all I did was put mineralized skin finish in the parting space. So I think the parting is phenomenal as usual. Zury Hollywood, like, they're always on it. They did include baby hairs. I did not lay the baby hair. So usually I will like lay the baby hairs, put some gel or edge control or something on it and lay them down, but I didn't do that this time. I felt like it was natural enough that I didn't have to do that extra step, so I didn't. So that's what they are. These are their baby hairs, and yeah, that was pretty much that. Now I did go in and trim some areas. So like when I was finger combing them, sometimes I might have snagged a curl and it ended up being longer than the rest of them. So then I might have gone through and just kind of trimmed it a little bit just so it can blend again. But also in the front area, I trimmed just very little just so that I can kind of get this style that you see right here, where it's kind of like some bangs and you know, the bangs aren't falling in my eyes. So I did just go through and cut some of the bangs that were in front of my eyes that were just too long, but I didn't cut much of it. So I said cut to your discretion, or you know, to your liking. Other than that, I feel like I love it. Like, it's definitely sexy. And so with summer coming, I think this will be an amazing wig to have because it doesn't lay on your neck. Like, it is not laying on my neck at all. It's not laying on my shoulders. Like, look at this. Like, this is what I look like, how it is up on me. So I think that this wig allows you to still be very sexy and girly without, you know, you being overheated or anything because it's too hot, you know, with the long hair. And, you know, depending on where you live, the summer might be crazy. So yeah, I feel like this is like the perfect wig for summertime. Like, I'm excited. I'm definitely about to put it up so that I can break it back out as soon as it gets warmer in California. Like, right now it's okay. The sun is shining, but it was just raining. So yeah, like, I love it. I'm here for it. Hopefully you guys are here for it. I hope that I see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned to the unboxing.
How